I am Purni. I am studying in Veltech Multitech Engineering College. My project title is Retinal Vessel Segmentation using Deep Learning. In this project, we are replacing retinal images of eye instead of fundus images of eye using to detect glaucoma by applying optic disc segmentation and optic cup segmentation using superficial classification for fast diagnosis. In existing system, they use fundus image. They used morphological features of fundus image, but it is very difficult to choose structural elements which may not yield eye classification accuracy. They used a segmentation process, but it also has shortcomings like localization, thresholding, demarcation, which may lead to unaccepted results and unavoidable results. And in our proposed system, we are using a deep learning with a different architecture for glaucoma screening. The results will show an increase in overlapping error as a reliability score is reduced, which justifies the effectiveness of self-assessment. The architecture used in this are VGG16, VGG19, inception, exception, etc. We used a skill locus model and color histogram for classification of retinal image into category of normal image. The overall classification rate of the proposed system will give the better efficiency and accuracy of identifying this disease with respect to existing system. The block diagram. Training images is already trained, and if the validation image is given, it is pre-processed, and architecture VGC 16, 19 and classification which prepares the layers and train the data and classify it as a glaucoma and non-glaucoma, and finally give the result. And finally we can find the confusion matrix, accuracy, specificity and sensitivity, etc. Image processing, we have so many steps. The first step is gray imaging. The image is converted into two color, black and white, and it is called a gray image. First, they used a filter called Wiener filter. In this filter, the main disadvantages is it has a additive noise spectra, stationary signal. So it minimizes the mean square error between the esteemed random process and the desired process. We are using a median filter which remove the noise from the image or a signal. Median filters is widely used in digital image processing because under uncertain conditions it preserves edges while removing noises. It is also having application in signal processing. So we are getting a maximum difference between the image and the training image. And finally it is classified as a glaucoma or non-glaucoma. And deep learning, first the image acquisition. In this we are getting the correlation, contrast, energy and homogeneity, which is the 16. It is a top 5 test accuracy in ImageNet. It has 14 million images belonging to 1000 classes. It makes the improvement over AlexNet by replacing a large sized kernel sized filters by multiple 3x3 kernel sized filters one after another. And the VGG19, it uses a CNN. It has a more than million of images from the ImageNet database. It has a 19 layers deep and can classify images into 1000 object categories. It is a pre-trained networks in MATLAB. This is the performance analysis of each architecture like VGG 16, 19 and AlexNet, etc. and the confusion matrix, and finally the superpixel classification. Using superpixel classification is a process by each pixel is further classified into small pixels, and same type of pixels are grouped together, and this is called superpixel classification. This is our demo, and first we are loading an image. And it is converted into grayscale image, and wavelet features are obtained. And existing filter. In the existing filter, PSNR is high. We does not need in this project, so we are finding the maximum difference. So we are using the median filter, and we are obtaining the disk and cup features and the region properties and segmentation, and finally classifying it as glaucoma. And if the glaucoma is present, then we are finding the, we are using deep learning. And this is a difference between the Werner filter and median filter. By using this, we can classify glaucoma in the first stage itself for first diagnosis. And thank you.